In this video, we will see how we can use voltmeter for measurement of voltage. As we can see here, this is a multimeter. We can use it as a voltmeter or as a ohm meter or as a ammeter. So we can use this for multiple purpose. We can also use this for continuity tester. But now currently we are using this for measurement of voltage. So here this is a range for measurement of voltage, and here these two lines indicates DC voltage, and here this waveform indicate AC voltage. So currently we are on DC circuit, so we will use this range from 200 millivolt to 1000 volt. Here this is a circuit which consists of series elements, and this is our voltage supply. So now let's connect the wire first. So here this black wire, we will connect this to this common terminal, and here this red wire we will connect this to here. So let's measure the voltage across this element between terminal B and C. So let's connect this terminal here and this red terminal here. So for measurement of voltage, we have to go from higher voltage to lower voltage. That means if we want to measure the voltage across this element, first we will set the knob to this 1000. Now here it is showing 0 reading because the voltage here is 0. So let's increase the voltage. So let's set the voltage to 40 volt. Now here it is showing 7 volt. So let's decrease it slightly again. Now here it is showing 6.77 volt. That means the voltage across this element is 6.77 volt. Now next, let's measure the total voltage. So before measuring total voltage, we have to turn off the voltmeter or multimeter. Otherwise, if we measure the voltage on wrong range, that time what happen, this voltmeter will be damaged. So first we will turn off the voltmeter or multimeter, and then we will change this terminal from here to here. So now this will measure the total voltage. Now remember that for voltmeter we have to go from higher voltage range to lower voltage range. So here now we will turn on this. So let's put it on 1000. So it is showing 40. So we can go to 200 also. So it is 40.0. So this is the correct reading for this elements, or it is showing the total voltage across these elements which are connected in series. As we can see here, we have set the voltage source value to 40 volt. Now let's say we want to measure the voltage across this element between D and E. So again, first we will turn off the multimeter, and then we will put this terminal here and this terminal here. So let's turn on this. So it is showing 7. That means we can go up to this range, that is 20. So the correct precise voltage across this element is 6.79.